Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this blood pressure monitor that this brand sent to me for the video. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, or maybe just to show you how it works for sure. There are a few things that I like about this one. Besides that, it comes with this own carry-on case, so you can actually take it with you on a trip, on vacations, to the office, whatever you want to do, you can take it with this bag. It also comes with the instruction manuals. You're not going to need it for sure. This is super easy to use, and also comes with the USB-C cable. You're going to put right here 3 batteries, so you're going to put the 3 batteries over here on the back, and then it's going to be super easy to operate. The only thing you need to do is just connect this hose over here, which is going to be the one that is going to be pumping the air to this cuff that you're going to put in your arm. The best thing about this one, sorry about the noise, is that you can use it with or without a shirt. I like to use it without the shirt, so I kind of like do this if I have a long sleeve shirt or something like that, and then super easy. You're not going to have to do too much about it. You know how this goes. You can put it this way, but I think the best way is actually this one, so you can do the Velcro to the other side. Remember, when you're putting this in your arm, just make sure that you have at least 2 fingers right here. Don't put it too well, kind of like tight. That's another thing that you gotta take account on it. And then this one is gonna be super easy to operate. Let me show it to you in a close-up just now in a few seconds. So I do like the size of it, and also really like the display. I'm going to just show you the display just for the numbers so you can see. But one of the things that I really like is this set over here will actually give you the chance to change subject. So that's subject number 1 and number 2. Actually, that's number 1 and this is number 2, or A and B. So you can use this and set up the memories of the measurements for each one of the users. So that is really, really good. And once you have that one done, these are going to be the numbers. So you're going to see that these are pretty big. I'm not going to show you this one on the actual measurements because I'm talking right now, I'm standing, I'm moving. So these are not going to be proper measurements. Remember that these numbers that are going to show this one for the cis and the dialytic, they're not going to be good numbers because I'm just moving and everything. I just wanted to show you that display and how big it is, which I think is one of the other good things, because kind of like if you're showing it at night or something like that, you can actually see these numbers pretty big and pretty bright as well. Remember, these are not good numbers. I just want to show you the display, and then we're going to use it right away, properly use it right away so you can see how good this one is. So this is almost done and should be done right now. This is actually telling me, oh yeah, these are not good numbers, but check out the display size over here. So what I'm going to do right now is relax a little bit. I'm not going to talk. I'm going to speed up the process of the measurements because it takes about, like, probably 20-25 seconds, and I don't want to put that just in the video. But then you're going to see that this one's going to give you the proper number. So let's actually just relax a little bit. Remember, don't cross your legs, and just make sure that you have your arm in a resting position. And here we are, it just finished. It says 135.79. These are kind of like my numbers. I'm always around like 130, 131, or 128 or something like that. 79 is also good for the systolic and the diastolic. And then you have the heart rate. It has right here, the pulse is 69, which it's also very accurate with my own, which is always like in between 65 and 75 or 70. So this is a good one, super easy to operate, big display, 2 users, the batteries, you have everything you need to take it with you on the go. And this one, of course, is also really easy to use as well. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up. See you soon.